We need increase score, as well as remove balloon when it is hit by bullet right. So to do that, click the balloon scene. Add a collision shape, 2D node. Select the rectangle shape. Now adjust the size of collision shape. Now select the balloon. Go to Signals. Connect body entered signal. This will call a function whenever a body hits the balloon. When the bullet hit the balloon we wanted to signal that point is scored. We will emit the signal. Also Q-free will delete the balloon. Also we need to make sure that entered body is bullet, so to do that we are adding an if statement. But we haven't assigned any group to bullet. Open the bullet scene, go to group. Now add a group called bullet. See now when the bullet hits the balloon, it disappears. Click the main game script. Here we need create a variable score. Score will be initially 0. Now we need to create function to increase the score. In the function the score is increment. For now we are printing the score for debugging. Now we need to connect this function with balloon point scored signal. Now if you run the scene you can see the score increasing. Now we need to add feature to reduce health. Open the main game scene. Add a area 2D node. Add collision shape 2D node. Select the segment shape. Resize it. Now place it at the bottom so where the balloon's supposed to be hit so that we can reduce health. Now select Area 2D node and go to Signals and connect Area Entered Signal. We are connecting this signal because our balloon is Area 2D. First we need to check the area is balloon. If yes, then we are decrementing health. We also have to create health variable. Still we haven't added balloon as group. Open the balloon scene. Go to group. Now create a new balloon group. Now you can see the health is reducing from 0. For this game, I am going to set health equal to 10. Yes, you can see the health reducing.